Hi everyone, this is Miki Malta Garcia and welcome to my journey as an intern at the Cultural Center of the Philippines. Today, I will share to you my incredible experiences and the invaluable lessons I've learned during my time at the CCP.
Um, Hi, ako si Alice. Ako sa staff dito sa Production Design Center kung saan nag-intern si Nico. Ayon si Nico, parang first impression ko dyan. Reforma. Forma talaga siya, tapos ang tahimik. Pero nung tumagal, hanggang sa nung parang nag-start na kami na nakakasama namin siyang makatulong namin sa work dito. Masipag. Tapos walang reklamo, nakakainis. Parang kahit ano mo yung paggawa namin or patulong namin sa kanya, ginagawa naman niya. At nakakatuwa kasi, feeling ko na ikot niya lahat ng pwedeng gawin dito sa PBC. Parang nag-paperwork siya, tumulong siya mag-file ng documents, tapos nagpawis din siya sa singkap, naglagkit sa singkap, gano'n. Tapos tumulong din siya sa costume. So nakakatawa na hindi ko siya nakita nagreklamo, lalo pag siya yung kasama ko tumulong gumawa sa baba. And feeling ko naman kahit dun sa baba, okay naman din siya. Na, minsan ako na lang din yung nahihiya kasi lalo pag pawisan, gano'n. Pero okay siya, sobrang okay siya. Makulit, madaldal din pag dinalital. Tapos, pag hindi mo kinausap, okay lang, tahimik. Pero pag kasama mo naman siya everyday, okay, thank you, Nico!
Ever since junior high school, I've been a huge fan of theater plays and dreamed of working in the theater production. Getting the chance to work at CCP has been a dream come true. At first, I was a bit shy about bonding with the group since I was new. But everyone at CCP made me feel incredibly welcome right from the start. I gained so much knowledge about working in professional environment. The team at CCP taught me things I never knew before, from project management to effective communication. I learned a lot of practical skills as well. I experienced painting props, used a sewing machine for the first time, assembled platforms for exhibits, and wrapped frames used in the museum. One of the most rewarding aspects of my experience has been the strong sense of teamwork. I never felt alone because they always included me in everything, fostering a great sense of camaraderie. I am deeply grateful to everyone at CCP for their support and for teaching me so much. Their mentorship has played an important role in my personal and professional growth. After this internship, I am certain that I will come back to those who taught me so much. The CCP has left a lasting impact on me, and I look forward to continuing my journey with them. Once again, this is Mika Malta Garcia, and I hope you like my journey at the CCP. Thank you very much.
Hello po, good morning. Ako si Marilu Anselmo. Ako po ay isa sa mga staff dito sa CCP at production sa mga costume. Sana mas maging lumabong ka pa, I mean, mas marami ka pang papuntahan, hindi lang dito, or kung magkikita tayo 5 years, sana 5 years, or 10 years, sana hindi ka man nasabi pang successful, pero masaya ka, enjoy ka sa ginagawa mo, kasi yun naman ang importante. At saka siyempre, dapat kikita ka na rin, ha? At unang-una ang boyfriend. Yun ang pinaka-aim natin. Sana maging successful ka, stay healthy, ang crop top, huwag natin ano yan. Dapat lagi tayo naka-crop top. Yun lang, thank you Nico.
Yeah.
Sana pagbutihan mo ka. Good luck.